Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am MK Jabintaj. Today giving you the knowledge about the program execution and tracing of first C program for CPL lab for first or second SEM for BE CBCS VTU students of 2018 scheme. So first program here is commercial calculator. Commercial calculator means performing simple calculations like using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let us see the program here. This is the program. First I have double clicked on C compiler dev plus plus and plus plus file also executes C files. So and named it as A and saved as A.C and typed this program. See the program here. This is the program. Now let us execute it. Compile and run. First sentence it asks to enter the operator plus I have given here to perform addition. Okay, to perform addition two operands we require. It asks two operands here. Give 2, enter 3. This is the result. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, but it is showing 2.0, 3.0 and 5.0. Why? While explaining about the program, I will show you and tell you. Okay. Now to go to program back, just enter. This is the program. The program parts of the program mainly contains first the header file. Here it is the header file. Okay, then it asks to declare the constants and variables we are using in the calculation part. Okay, then with input function scanf, we whatever we give it accepts and performs the calculations using these data from us in the CPU, and result is displayed on the output screen. Okay, let us see what are there here. First is include stdio.h. It is a header file in C which contains all the input and output functions like printf to print the sentence within it and scanf. Whatever we data give, it reads and gives for calculation, uses for calculation. Okay, first header file is over, input output function it contains, so we have taken this. And then every program, however how long it may be, how short it may be, main part of the program should be there for performing the calculations or to execute the program. So here main part of the program begins. This is the opening brace. Then here we are using operator. It is a characters section. In character section operators comes. So we have taken here char operator. Char is the notation of a character. Operator is the type of a character, so it is data type. Whatever we are giving data to the operator, it is of character type, so it is char op. That is type of the data. Now we are giving double first comma second. These are the operands of the type double. Okay, we can take int and different data types we can take here, int, float, like, but here we are taking double. Now to print this statement on the output screen, we are taking printf statement. It prints this line on the output screen. What is this? Enter an operator plus comma minus comma multiplication comma division. For using 4 characters we are showing here calculations in a commercial calculator, so we are taking only these 4 operators. Okay, this line shows we have to enter the operator. This scanf function, whatever we enter by seeing this line plus minus multiplication or division, it takes it and uses for calculation. Okay, next line is only operator is not enough to perform the calculation. We require operands also. At least two operands we require for calculation. Okay, so enter the two operands here. It reads the two operands. These are of double type. Okay, long float double means. Okay, ampersand first comma ampersand second. This line takes whatever data we are entering by seeing this line. It takes and use for calculation. Okay, here we have taken switch case for calculation. Our program commercial calculator, it takes a switch up up. Switch up means switch statements takes the calculation for different operators. Okay, we are taking here only four operators. For four operators, these switch cases will appear. First is plus operator. First we have to enter this line. It shows we have to enter seeing this sentence operator and seeing this sentence operands, and this scanf statements read takes this operator and operands value. And the first case, if we take a plus operator, then it accepts first operand, that is first operand. It takes one digit after this one decimal point. If we enter 2, it takes as 2.0. Okay, only one digit after decimal point. Like this second operand, and here result will be declared. Okay, whatever we are taking for calculation, that type only result will be declared. Okay, it shows first operand, second operand, and first operand plus second operand on the output screen. Okay, a break here. Break, it stops execution after one operator's calculation. Next, it again we have to enter and return to the program, and again we have to compile and run, and it asks for operator. We have to put minus then two operators, sorry, operands, then result will be declared. Like that we have to perform four type of operations. We can perform four operations here. Okay, default means if we give any invalid input, we do not get our result. Okay, this is return 0 means after all calculation part, return 0 means it stops. Okay, this is all about the first program. Now let us see calculation and this execution. Here again, go to execute, compile and run, u plus here, to enter 3. Okay, as I explained, this data will be converted to 2.02 and then 3.03, means result is displayed with a single digit after decimal point. Okay, now press enter here again. Again go for checking subtraction, compile index, run. Here we have to enter operator minus two operands is taken. 4 and 2 I have taken. This is 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, Again enter. Again next is multiplication. Okay, then go for execute, compile and run. Sorry, here we have to give operator. I have taken here multiplication, then two operands. This is the output. Next, enter again. For division, go for execute, compile and run. 6, sorry, divided by here. 6, enter. 3. Okay, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, this is all about the first program. I hope you have understood. Thank you.